How to generate videos with ChatGPT on VEED. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to generate videos on VEED using ChatGPT. So go ahead and go to the search bar and simply search for VEED ChatGPT video, and then you can just hit enter. So on the first result, you'll find the ChatGPT video generator AI text to video. So open the first link for VEED.io. Now, what you need to do here is just try Video GPT, click on it. And once you do that, you have to log into your account. So what you need to do here is you need to get the plus for ChatGPT. So in order to create a new video, all you have to do is ask anything you want here. So you can try to add a prompt here. So a man meditating. Hit enter. So what you need is what it will give you what you need to be on your video. And if you have the plus account for ChatGPT, you can instantly generate the video for you. So I don't have that a plus account, but I can still try. Can you generate the video? So let me just type this. And it's still giving me the text, but in order to generate the video, you need to get the plus account. So if you have the plus account right here, you should be able to generate the video for free using the VEED AI videos, and you can export it anywhere you want. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.